Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but super useful trick in Microsoft Teams how to block someone. Whether it's to manage your conversations, maintain your privacy, or just avoid distractions, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to block any contact in Teams, step by step. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can use either the desktop app or a web browser. Just make sure you're signed into your primary account, because this ensures all the changes will apply correctly. Next, you need to locate the contact you want to block. This can be done easily by scrolling through your chat list or searching for their name in the contacts section. Once you've found the right person, hover your mouse over their name. You'll see a More Options menu appear, represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Now here's the key step. Click on Block. That's it! Once you select this, Microsoft Teams will immediately block the contact. This means they won't be able to send you messages, call you, or disturb your Teams workspace in any way. A quick tip, you can unblock them anytime by following the same steps and selecting Unblock. This makes it easy to manage your contacts whenever you need to. And that's all there is to it. Blocking someone in Microsoft Teams is that simple and effective. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a quick Teams tip like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.